Hello, this is the third part of Coraline, and it's the refrain that it's when the drums start after a little while. These four chords are played in this way. I show you very slow. The original time is follow my pick with the right hand. And the second section of the refrain is there is a little chord insert, but it's 4 times each chord to the end. Slowly is a E minor, a G, E minor, F, G, to the end, and then there is a little solo and restarts with the original chords at the beginning. See you next time for the whole song.